How's it going, everyone? Jack speaking. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show variants as separate products in your Shopify collection page. For this example, we will use stubby holder and display three of its colors. The product comes in mango, blue, and charcoal. The process is straightforward. We store the variants in metafields. Think of it as a database and pull the items from there to display on our collection page. The variant metafields wasn't there. Shopify recently introduced it. As our process is straightforward and simple, on the collection page, it's a custom template, so there won't be any filtering and sorting. So if you are looking for an advanced template where we have like filtering, sorting, or maybe quick add, in that case, you can reach out. We can work on that as well. Anyway, and one more thing, which is this will work on any theme because we created a custom template that's theme independent. So whatever theme you're using, this is going to work. You will get the code link in the description. However, for this guide, we're going to use Shopify's new free theme Horizon as an example. Let's get into it. So the first thing first, we need to create the metafields. To do that, you have to go to the settings and then metafields and meta objects. As this is going to be for the collections, I'm going to click on collections and add definition. Here you have to give it a name. I want you to follow the naming convention to make your life easier. So in that case, list product variants. So the namespace and keys important because this will be connected on the code. So custom the namespace and list product variants. That's the key. Okay. As we want to upload multiple variants or like select multiple variants, in that case, you're going to select list of values, and the select type would be product variant. Product variant. That's it. And you can also validate it. So minimum one. So you have to select one variant at least. You can do that as well. So I'm going to save it. Metafields creation is done. So next step is to create the template. To do that, so you have to open the online store sales channels and then click on the three dots and click on edit code. Here we have our new Visual Studio Code. That's basically a new code editor that Shopify recently introduced as well. Here we're going to create two files. Okay. We need to create two files. One is the collection template and other is the section. So we're going to create the section first. Go back to the blog page. Here's our section. So I'm going to copy the section name from here. Make sure there is no space on the naming convention, which is variant as product.liquid. I just copied everything from here and open the section folder. Okay. Once you open the section folder is selected. You click on this file and then paste the name you copied and press enter on your keyboard. That's it. And copy the code from here and paste it. Save the changes. And the second file is the template. We're going to create a template for the collection. So open the template folder. Get back to the blog post again. I'm going to copy the template name, which is this one. Again, make sure there's no space, otherwise it's going to give you an error. So I'm just going to remove everything because this is a custom template. We don't need the default template files. So you copy the JSON file from here and then paste it. Save the changes. That's it. All right. Here comes the final part. So now we already created the metafield, created the template. Now we have to assign the variants to the metafield. To do that, you have to open the products tab, click on collections. I'm going to create a new collection. You can assign to an existing collection as well. For example, test. And here, as for my case, is stubby holder. Okay, here's my product. I'm going to select all the variants here and click save. And one more thing, I have to also change the template that I just created, which is variant as product. I'm going to save it. That's it. Now let's view the collection. Awesome. Here is our product. So you can see, make sure you're viewing the right theme that you copied, because sometimes if we have multiple themes, you preview the wrong themes and I think it doesn't work. Anyway, nice. Now there are settings for this section that you can change. To do that, you go back to online store, edit the theme, click collections and select the template that you created, which is variants as products. Here is our section. Just zoom out a little bit so that you can see side by side. Now here you can select like change the page width Okay, nice. You can also add spacing from top to top and bottom, also from left and right. Totally up to you. And the images have like fixed width. You can, set it to auto, so it's going to take the auto width, sorry, auto height. One more setting we have, like on the mobile, you can by default we have like one column. You can set it to 2 columns. All right, the most important feature, which is the pagination. Let's say, for example, I would like to show two variants, and I'm going to save it. Now if I refresh again, you're gonna see I see 2 products. So basically it's loading 2 items, and if I go to the next page, I see 1 more item. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment. See you on the next one.